Hiya, it's Andy from Cream and Whiskers. Hiya, hello, it's Andy with you. Today I've been around Poundland. Been having a wander around Poundland. Don't normally go in there, but I noticed that they did aftershaves and deodorant, so I thought, well, I'll see what their stuff's like. And I picked up 3 bottles of Addiction. This is Addiction 1. Okay, it's a 50ml bottle, and as it was in Poundland, it was only £1. That's what the bottle looks like. It's got a yeah, it's got a sandalwood wood smell to that, but it's also got a musky smell because the wife thinks it's a bit damp. It could be me. Great for a Christmas present for someone that's just started out in Aftershaves. Nice packaging, it's just a normal wood package, but it's got a nice scent. You can still smell it now, actually. They also do another one called Gold, Addiction Gold. Take this one out for you. And this one, it's an orangey tint to it, or a goldy tint to it. That's got a cinnamon come orange to that. That's got an orangey, yeah. That's got a orange scent to that with a bit of cinnamon, bit of Christmas one for me. That one and the next one I'm going to show you, I put on my wrist, sorry, the back of my hand, and it lasted about 24 hours. So that's good for cheap aftershave, because normally when you get aftershave and it's cheap, it goes off. Remember the knockoff stuff you used to get at the markets and the boot sales? And you used to go, this is anti-acid or whatever it was at the time, and you'd spray it on, it'd either burn you or you would, the scent would just disappear. Well, this didn't. These, or that one, the Gold, and the next one, the Rio, which I'm about to show you, didn't. It actually stays on 24 hours. I didn't get a rash on my hands or my wrists. I wasn't itching, I wasn't trying to wash it off. This is the Rio. Another 50ml bottle. And that's got a sandalwood wood to it. And yeah, that's a sandalwood and cedarwood mixed together, that one. That one, as I say, and that one is what I had on me for 24 hours. Didn't come off. I've come a long way in scent. Cheap bottles now. A Saver. It's a shop near us. I think there's a few around the country. And this is what I picked up from them. It's a Doral collection. Marine. I'll show you what the bottle looks like. I do like the bottle. It's a frosted bottle with out on the front of it. Nice chunky top, nice man's thing. Bottle actually looks a bit like David Beckham's one that he came out with. It's got a sweet smell to it. As I say, it's a bit like Giorgio Armani. I also picked up from Poundland Purely Night. Now I can't work out what this is inspired by, but that's what the bottle looks like. There's a tint of blue in that. It smells like there's an old sweet you used to have when you were a kid. I really can't place it. It's like one of those old-fashioned sweets. I can't place it. I'll try and find out what I reckon that's been inspired by. We also have from Poundland 313 74K. I don't know what it's named that. I haven't focused. Same sort of bottle. Got a hint of blue in that. In there. A nice hint of. There's a light blue. Again, I still can't place what that one is. Another one from Poundland is number 6. Now this is women, but I suppose men could use it if they want to moisturise their face or clean their face up, if they've got a bit of dirt, or if you're one of these guys that wear makeup. And that's the micellar cleaning water. Mrs. uses that, this one. They do a different range as well. They do anti-eye wrinkle and anti-face wrinkle. Mrs. says, I don't want to try that. You sure enough? She uses one, and it's 400ml bottle, and she pays £16 for it. This is 200ml bottle, so the equivalent would be £8 for a bottle that size. And that cost her £1 from Poundland. It's their range, it's their new range. I think that's, the idea is based on number 7. Sorry, I picked up these. Now, there's Soho Joe. They've been around since 2016. Can't find a lot about them. If you go on their website, you can put in your email address, get on their mailing list, they might tell you a bit more. They do a face wash, and the face wash has got a light mint to it. A nice peppermint smell to that. Nice peppermint smell. So I'm raring to try that one. They also do a sensitive aftershave balm, which again, it's a bit like Nivea. If you're a Nivea fan, it's a bit like that one. It's not, but it's a bit like that. And then you've got this one, a moisturiser. It's a white moisturiser. Again, it smells a bit like Nivea. That is 100ml. That one is 125, and then you've got 175 in those bottles. Can't wait to try these. I really can't. I'm looking forward to trying those on my next shave, on my next wash and shave, which is coming up. Also in Savers, I got that Blue Stratus, just in case you lot don't know. It's an old, well, it's been around late 60s, sorry, late 70s, early 80s. My missus says it smells like baby powder. I think it smells like baby powder come a brew, a light brew. So if you're a brew and baby powder fan, that'll be for you. I'm going to try it with some some shaving soaps and see what comes out. There might be a shaving soap that matches it, I've looked. At the moment, the other half doesn't like it. If it doesn't work, what I'm going to do, I'll give that bottle away. If I hit 50 odd subscribers, I'll just pick a subscriber. Thought about trying it. It is there. You can still buy it. I'm looking forward to trying that with, I think that will go with Taylor's normal, that smells like their barber shop one. Might even go with their coconut. Might go with their coconut one. So that's basically my haul from Poundland. If you've got Poundland near you, go and get it, because I think that one's going to go well. I think that would go well with anything, the Doral one. And I think this this one will be my Christmas one to try at Christmas. I think that'll be the Christmas one. And the rest I'll just have to try. On Sunday shaving, I'm going to be trying that by L'Oreal. It is a L'Oreal Shaving Revolution, a non-foaming, a shave gel, ice effect. So I'm going to try that with what I got from Facebook. Don't all hate me. I'm going to try. I haven't tried a 5-blade razor in about 15 years. So that's going to be interesting. I asked if I could get one. Just give me one. It hasn't come out of the packet yet. I'm going to try it Sunday. I'm going to tell you what I think of it on Sunday. I've been Andy from Cream and Whiskers. All have a good rest of the week. I will see you Sunday for the Sunday shave. Don't forget to subscribe, leave any comments you want, and I'll try and answer them for you. Ring your bell so you get more notifications when I'm doing stuff, and put a thumbs up as well. I will see you Sunday for the Sunday shave. Shaving should be fun, not a chore. Speak to you later.